Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this is going to be a grand finale for the last pour that I do for probably, I don't know, a week or two. I'm not sure yet. I'm using all the rest of my paints. I'm out of Floetrol, out of sticks, out of all that. So I need to do a bit of research and see the best way to get some product over to Ireland rather than going out and buying it over here because it's just way too expensive for me anyway. So I have to do a bit of research. I do, however, have some videos that are on backlog that I'm going to throw some music over, you guys' favorite, and stick those up maybe every other day to keep my channel going. Right now I'm at 2,200 subs, just under. And I've decided my giveaway is going to be, my first giveaway is going to be when I hit 5,000 subs. So hopefully with me taking a bit of a break, I don't lose any of you guys. So if you guys want to help support my channel, you could definitely share my videos with your loved ones and your friends and all that good stuff. I would appreciate that. And stick with me, guys, because I will definitely be back. I just have to get a bit of research done. I'm going to look in the UK and see if there's a better option. Amazon doesn't ship to Ireland. Well, you can get a few things, but not the stuff I'm after. So I will do that, and I'm going to work on my social media, try and get a shop going, put my finished paintings up. If anybody wants to buy any, I will obviously throw the links down when I get that all going. And yeah, so just taking a small break. So this is going to be my little rest of my paints pour. Okay, so let's see what we have to do. We're going to get a cup. Actually, I'm going to do this. I dropped a bit of blue in here. And in this cup here, this is the last of my white. So I'm literally just going to go through my cups and let's see if I have any purple, whatever I have left, and I'm probably going to go for a ring pour. So we're just going to drop this in, and you know me and the copper, put that over there. And another favorite, some blue green. Oh, and I just got on my table. Drop some black in there. So yes, I will be back. So please don't unsubscribe. Stick with me. Having lots of fun doing the YouTube, and yeah, literally, guys, just throwing some colors, and this is just a grand finale pour. And let's see if I can get a bit of, no, let's put a white in there. See, I can't waste paint, so I'm using every last drop. Can't pour the paint down the drain because that is bad. So yes. And I think that is good. So we're just going to drop it. This was some leftover paint that I had of a painting that I scraped. Okay, I got to climb up here and make sure I have enough time on my video. I'm only 5'1", half an inch, 5'1", half an inch. I have to get a ½ inch in there because, you know, every ½ inch counts. So here we go. I'm just gonna, oh, and there's a kitty cat outside. Oh. I had a stray cat living in the back garden for a couple days. I tried to find his owner, and then I think the neighborhood kids kind of scared him off and he wasn't coming back, but I made a box and I had to let him into my house, but I can't do that. I can't do that. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna try and do a ring pour. I usually just I kind of go, oh, there's that kitty cat. Now he's watching me. See? Not now, cat. I want some chicken or something. I get close to my puddles or farther away. It just depends what I'm feeling when I'm pouring. Sometimes I just slowly move. I like when I have the white, put the white in the bottom first because you really get a lot of contrast. And then I always go to the very last drop and pray that I catch that drip. And I didn't have a drip because I used the last drop. So, good on video. Okay. So we're just gonna see what happens. Trying to open up some rings. It's flowing good. I was a bit worried about the base layer. Find that sometimes when you're using like leftover paint for your base, which definitely do, because don't waste it. You have to add a bit more water because it tends to get like sticky or just very thick. There's that kitty cat again. Oh, he's probably fishing for something. Hopefully not my fish out there. We have a little koi pond. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start trying to cover this before I get lots of crazy zigzags. I'm gonna do the cup the corner. Cup the corner. I don't want to lose all that purple. Okay, so this is kind of getting crazy. I always, when I'm pouring, when I'm mid-pour, I'm like, oh, this is not working. And then, you know, I just keep going and usually it turns into something pretty sweet. So, and I have to stop mumbling. Monica, thanks for the tip. I haven't commented. I have to comment you guys back. Been super busy, but yes, Monica, thanks for the tip about speaking up a bit, because you're right, when you are looking down. I'm not pouring on my table, am I? You tend to sound like you're mumbling. So I need to speak loud and clear. I'm not giving up hope, guys. This could still be something. We can make this work. Another thing I'm going to start doing when I figure out my supply chain is I'm going to, oh, I don't know how I feel about this. I'm going to do some live pours. And then I was thinking it would be fun to do like group live pours. I know from my job we've used like a conference calling site where you can everybody can connect, and you know, on video if you wanted, and we can all see each other. So I was thinking that could be fun for us to like plan a pour and yeah, just kind of pour together at the same time, kind of hang out and, you know, pour some paint. But yeah, I'm going to look into that a bit more because we had a conference one time and we used it. And it was great. And it's free. Got a bit of a fright there. Another thing I have to give is a new torch. I don't know. I'm going to post this video anyways, even though I'm not too happy about the pour. But this, I guess, the best I could do with my paint that I have left. But I just wanted to fill you guys in on, you know, a bit of channel info. What was I saying about that conference? Oh, it's free. The conference call website that I was on, I have to get the name of it from my boss, but I think it's free for the first 100 people that you have logged in and videoing. So you can connect with 100 people before they start charging you. So I figured that if we can set up that and all just kind of paint together, that could be a bit of crack. So yeah, I will look into that as well on my little break. I do have a day job, so it's not like I'm just taking a break, sitting around all day taking care of the kids, which that's another job in itself. Anyway, enough of that. But yeah, so this was just a end of paint, last of my paint pour. Not too sure if I'm happy with it. Channel info video to fill you guys in. And I can't redo it because that's the last of my product. So I have to post this video regardless of how I'm feeling about the pour. So be nice. Although some people might like it. I just don't know how I feel about this. I could pour it off, but then that'll just get too muddied up. But it's not too bad, I guess. So yeah, I think I covered everything. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Share away for me. I got to get that play button for the little guy. So I have till he's 10. He's 6 now, so hopefully you guys will stick around. All right, I will stop rambling. Enough of that. Enjoy your day. You guys are probably all still sleeping now. Until next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, I forgot. I was going to ask my UK subscribers if I have any. I know I have a few people watching from the UK, so I'll do a close-up. If there are any sites, online sites where you guys purchase your paints and all that. I have a good good place over here in Ireland that I can get my Floetrol from for a pretty good price. So it's more so paints. If you guys can direct me to any online websites that have good deals for paint and canvas, I would much appreciate that. I'm going to do a bit of research today. But yes, if you can, just comment down below of what sites you guys are using. And I will check them out. And I appreciate any links that you guys post for me. All right, until next time, I will see you guys, or I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching again. All right, bye.